no see you for inside pitch against Wolves. I come dey find you for bench to know whether you enter pitch at all. Where you go?
Coachy, I dey inside pitch. Na just say I no see ball play.
How you no go see ball when we hold 63% of the ball possession?
I no follow them hold am o. I dey inside Wolves them 18 and ball no gree reach me for there.
So if ball no gree reach you, you no go gree reach ball.
But coachy, na positional football you say make we dey play. If I comot for there, na who go come there to score the goal?
The rest of una, just because of 3 players we no dey, na im make una come dey play positional embarrassment.
What? But Coachy, na wetin dey top table?
Come on, shut up there. So since when you dey this club, you never sabi say we no suppose dey lose against teams like Wolves. I no blame you. If no be Rodri wey get suspension, wetin for give you shirt for my lineup?
Then why you come buy me?
Because we need professional bench warmers, especially during winter to reduce electricity bill. Meanwhile, I just dey leave una today because of Rodri, Silva and De Bruyne wey no dey. If una like, make una go play rubbish against Leipzig tomorrow. This snack go use on top una head one by one.
As the Premier League season dey on, no forget say na 1xbet be the better platform wey go run am for you if you wan bet on top your favourite team. That is after you don register with our promo code GNEXT. And you know na 300% bonus wey fit reach 189,000 naira you go get immediately you deposit your first betting money. No be only matches wey dem go soon play you fit bet. You fit even bet on top who go win the tournament now. If you bet on top plenty matches, you go activate the no risk offer, wey mean say dem go give you back your money if you lose. For 1xbet, you go see plenty offer where you fit win better prizes or even cash when you participate. No forget to read their terms and conditions and always remember to bet with sense. Thank you.
I no go understand why Coachy say make I dey play 9 when una no go pass ball give me.
I no dey pass ball give you unless na you wey know the position well.
Which kind position well again? Where you want make I dey? Either you pass give Rashford, cross am or shoot.
Rashford na tested and trusted now. Na him be our best striker. You, when you come, we never feel your presence yet. Na why?
And Rashford own, once he don enter 18 like this, to pass go just disappear from his head. Even Casemiro don complain say he no dey pass ball.
See, just leave me for una matter o. Since man you wan dey go where I no know. Me, na become a legend I wan dey play now. No even try expect any ball from me. Jesus!
No wonder! After all my brain cracking for my tactics drawing board, goals still dey hard to come.
Coach, I no mean am like that o.
Wetin you come
Don't
me?
try!
Even after to become a legend. How many goals you don score this season? Make I hear say you no pass ball again for today Galatasaray match. Nonsense.
Oga Moenho and Oga Sarri, una welcome.
Thank you,
Kubala.
Kubala.
Molenho, which one be this one where you carry for head now?
Face your front. Nothing concern you.
Okay, oh.
We get plenty talk today. Make I start with Man U loss against Crystal Palace for Old Trafford. Oga Sarri, wetin be your take for that game?
My take be say, if team attack na knife, na there Ten Hag head for dey very useful. Because attackers like Rashford need sharpening. Amadioha, wetin be that?
Ah, wow. You for just come tell me say you want honor our agreement now. I know the wrong go anywhere. I be man of my words. No need to come suddenly from hiding.
Oh, no wonder. So Molenho, you don't go lose another bet. Wetin be this way you carry for head?
Na doctor's prescription.
What you mean by doctor's prescription?
I been get injury for head earlier this week. Na him doctor give me this thing to wear until my injury go.
Na lie, I no gree. You must to comot that thing for me to knock you.
That one no concern me. Na my luck. No be me give myself the injury.
Then I go wait until the injury go.
No, if you no finish am now, nothing for you again, no.
Lampard, na lie, no glitz.
Sorry, if I catch you there, ba, you no go dey complete reach your house.
So na so you wan do, abi?
No be my fault, nah.
Where the key?
I don swallow am.
Hey! No worry. Shebi you like to dey bet. Next time, we go still do another bet. No problem.